Hello everyone, welcome back to Learning English with Mr. Habbas. Do you have trouble introducing yourself in English?
Hello, my name is okay. My name is Mansoor, and I live in no. I work. I like. No, sorry, I can't do it. No.
So today I'm going to teach you an easy way to introduce yourself in English. But before we go any further, please make sure you subscribe and hit that bell icon so you're notified every time I post a new lesson. And now, let's get started. So, start with your name. Your name. For example, my name is Habbas, or I am Habbas. It's okay if you mention your family name. For example, my name is Habbas Mansour. Very nice. Then say your age. Your age. For example, I am 32 years old, or I am 32. Very nice. Okay, then say where you live. Where you live. For example, I live in Jerusalem, or I come from Jerusalem, or I am from Jerusalem. Very nice. After that, mention your job or school. For example, I am an English teacher, or I work as an English teacher. And if you are a student, you can say I am a student. I study at, you can say your school name, okay? Very nice. And then you can talk about your hobbies and interests, meaning what you like to do. For example, I like reading books, or I like reading books and I love to swim. Or you can say, I like to shop when I'm free. Or, my hobbies include listening to music, playing soccer, and exercising. Or, you can say, I am good at playing soccer, playing chess, or whatever. Okay? Very nice. And last, what are your expectations? For example, today, I'm really excited to be here, to meet new friends, and to teach more people English language. Very nice. So, how to introduce yourself in English? I have here a small paragraph about myself, okay? So, we have to be careful, of course, when writing a paragraph in English. First, we have to leave a small space, of course, at the beginning, okay? So here, we have to leave a small space. And this is called the indent, okay? The indent, okay. Then, we have to use capital letter at the beginning of every sentence. So here, my. We have to use capital letter. Okay. Here, I. At the beginning of every sentence, I come from Jerusalem. I am an English teacher. My, we have capital M, okay? Okay, very nice. And here, the same thing, T, capital T, okay? Very nice. Okay. Okay, then we have to use a period, okay, at the end of every sentence. Okay, so here we have a period, yes. Here we have a period. Period means full stop, okay? Full stop. And here we have a full stop. And here we have one. And here we have one. So we have to use a period or a full stop at the end of every single sentence. Okay, very nice. So we have here a paragraph. My name is Habbas and I am 32 years old. So you can change whatever you want. It's up to you. So put your name here. Yes. And here put your age. Maybe you are 17, maybe you are 20. Okay. And here put the place you live in. Okay. Maybe New York. Okay. And here your job or your school. So if you are a student, you can say I am a student. Okay. An English teacher, you can write a student, an engineer, whatever. Okay. Very nice. My hobbies include listening to music. You can change your hobbies. So listening to music, playing soccer, and exercising. It's up to you. And here the expectation. I am really excited to be here to meet some new friends and to teach more people English. You can change it to whatever you want. Okay, very nice.
So now I know how to introduce myself. So I'm going to show you how I'm going to introduce myself. So my name is Mansour. Mansour. And I am 17 years old. 17. I come from Philadelphia. I am a student because I go to school. I still go to school. My hobbies include listening to music and playing chess. And exercising. Today, I am really excited to be here to meet some new friends and to learn more about the Palestinian culture. And that's how I introduce myself. And also, don't forget, when you want to end a sentence, you always have to put a period at the end.
I hope this video was helpful for everyone. And if you guys enjoyed this video, please come back for more videos on this channel, English with Mr. Habbas. So now it's your homework. Please write down below in the comments and introduce yourself. Okay? Very nice. Thanks for watching. See you guys. Bye bye.